Hey guys, how you doing? Today, we're going to be trying to find pi in Python. How are we going to do this? Well, we know that arctan of 1 is pi over 4. So if I can find arctan of 1 in Python, then I can find pi over 4 in Python, and obviously therefore pi. So, how can we find that? Well, we know that the integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared is arctan of x. So if we can find the area under the curve of 1 over 1 plus x squared, between 0 and 1, then we can find pi over 4. Multiply that by 4, and we've got pi. So let's get started on the code. Okay, firstly, we're going to define a subroutine, find pi, with its input being step count. Okay, we're going to define the step width as being 1 over the step count. So this is the size of one of the rectangles that you would get in integration. Okay, we're going to start with 0 area, and each time we get a strip, we're going to add on the area. So this will be sort of our running total, our cumulative area. This here is a for loop, so it's for I in range step count. So this means that for each number from 0 up to whatever we define step count as, we're going to do this operation. X is I multiplied by step width. What this means is we're basically finding the width of one of our rectangles. Don't forget, guys, we're finding the area of 1 over 1 plus x squared. X squared is x star 2 in Python. So yeah, cool. Okay, so our rectangle area is going to be base times height. Fine. Okay, so we're going to increment by our rectangle area each time. Cool. Okay, and this is basically going to put the value of 4 lots of pi over 4, or our estimate for pi over 4, into the terminal. Okay, so now we're in the main program. We'll write main program. And what this means is this is actually what's going to be run. So this here is a subroutine, right? And this is basically defining, okay, if I write find pi, this is what it will do. But now we've got to actually do it. So find pi. And let's do it with 3 steps. Okay, so on the bottom of my screen, I have the output from when I do it. I'll click it again. There you go. I had a little bug with my IDE. So yeah, cool. On the bottom, you can see my input when we have 3. So you can see it's not very accurate. We get a bit of an overestimate, which is kind of what we expect. Let's try and increase the value and see if we get closer to pi. Let's try 10. Okay, 3.23. We're getting closer and closer. Okay, let's try 20. Okay, 3.19. Don't forget, guys, pi is 3.14159. So we're getting closer and closer. Let's try something big. Let's try 100. 3.1515. Okay, we're getting closer. Let's try 1,000. We're never going to make it to pi, but yeah. 3.142. Okay, so guys, you can see as I keep increasing this value that I'm putting in, let's try 10,000. Let's try 500,000. Bam. 3.14159. Cool. So, as you guys can see, every time I increase the step count, we're getting closer and closer. And that's what happens with integration, right? So, if we were to find the exact value, we would be taking infinitely thin strips. But we can't do that on a normal computer. So, we're going to try and get as close as we can. Let's try, like, just go ham with it. Bam, 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 bam. And, what do you think happened? It crashed. My computer can't run all that. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to follow. See ya.